Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to make TikTok videos longer than 15 seconds. So let's start. First open your TikTok app. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Now at the bottom of the screen you will see that 15 seconds is selected by default. To record a video longer than 15 seconds, tap on 60 seconds. And you can also select a template. Now to customize your duration, tap on timer on right hand side. Now drag the red line to customize your duration and select a duration as you like. You can also change the countdown timer. Now tap on start shooting to start recording your video. And that's how you record a TikTok video longer than 15 seconds. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.